Google just upgraded 4 of their free AI tools at once, and if you run a service business, this is bigger than it looks. Gemini 3.1 Flash just dropped. It is already one of the fastest and most affordable models available right now, but that is only one piece of what changed. Google pushed 4 separate updates across their free AI ecosystem. When you learn to connect them, you get something most people are going to completely miss. What is up? I am Paul James. On this channel, we focus on using free AI tools to build and scale service businesses. No expensive subscriptions, no bloated platforms, just leverage. Every tool I bring you here is free to access. Today is no exception. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is what drives me a little crazy about how most people approach updates like this. Something new drops, they try it once, they post about it, they move on. But the real leverage is never in a single tool. It is in how tools connect to each other. One output becomes the next input. That is where the compounding happens. Until recently, doing that with free tools was messy. Google just cleaned that up in a way that matters for small operators. I call this the zero-cost stack protocol. Here is what it means in plain English. You stop treating each AI tool as a separate solution. Instead, you layer Google's free tools so they work together as one system. You design in Stitch, you build research and visual content in NotebookLM, you generate production quality images with Nano Banana 2, and you run the whole workflow through Gemini 3.1 Flash as the intelligence layer. Each tool feeds the next. None of it costs $1. That is the zero-cost stack protocol. Let me walk you through each update so you know exactly what you are working with. Starting with Gemini 3.1 Flash. This is the engine of the whole stack. Google released it inside Google AI Studio. You access it through the playground under the Model Explorer. It sits among the fastest models running right now. The pricing is lower than almost everything else at this performance level. You get adjustable thinking levels from minimal all the way up to high. You get structured outputs, native tool calling, built-in Google search grounding, and URL context support. You can compare it side by side against other models right inside AI Studio. Building client tools or content automations, Gemini 3.1 Flash is what you want as the backbone. And if you already have apps running on older models, this is worth upgrading now. Here is where things get interesting. Running apps on an expensive model kills your margin fast when volume picks up. Gemini 3.1 Flash changes that math entirely. You can serve smaller local clients profitably without the cost spiraling out. Back when I started from my brother's garage, a model like this would have changed everything. The leverage is right there. Now stay with me because this next piece changes how image generation works entirely. Nano Banana 2 just got a major upgrade inside Google AI Studio. The feature that matters most is web image search during the generation process. You give Nano Banana 2 a prompt. Before it builds anything, it searches the web for real visual references. It finds actual examples of what you asked for. Then it uses those to inform the output. The result is more accurate, more specific, and far more useful for real client work. You also get expanded aspect ratio options and 4K resolution output and thinking level controls for complex requests. Most people never realize this part. The reason AI images miss the mark is not a bad prompt. It is the absence of real-world visual context during generation. Nano Banana 2's web search feature closes that gap directly. Now let me walk you through what NotebookLM just added. This one is useful for anyone delivering content or research-based services. You can now generate infographics in a range of distinct visual styles. Options include instructional, editorial, professional, and scientific, among several others with different aesthetics and layouts. You also control the level of detail. A concise output works well for social media. A comprehensive layout works better for client reports and presentations. NotebookLM is already pulling from your uploaded source material. So every infographic it creates is grounded in real content, not filler. That is a meaningful difference when you are delivering to a paying client. A client can feel the difference between an infographic built from their actual business content and one that feels generic. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. So many options and no clear path to turning them into income. The zero-cost stack protocol gives you a system, not just a list of features with no clear direction. The last update in the stack is Google Stitch. This one has direct implications for anyone doing design or app work for clients. Stitch already let you create UI layouts, app mockups, and website designs by describing what you need. The new addition is a direct edit mode. You open any design and modify specific elements right inside the tool. Text, layout, individual sections, all of it. When you are ready to deliver, you export directly to AI Studio or copy to clipboard. You can also push into an MCP workflow. You can also preview on mobile, tablet, and desktop before anything leaves the tool. You can even generate different design variations and run a predictive heat map on the layout. All free. This is where everything clicks for solo operators doing vibe coding or building lightweight client tools. You can now iterate and refine until it looks professional. Without a design subscription, here is the twist almost nobody talks about. You do not need a design background to offer design as a service with Stitch. You describe what the client needs. You iterate quickly. You deliver something that looks like agency work at zero cost. Now let me bring this back to income, because that is what we are here for. The zero-cost stack protocol gives freelancers and small agency owners a complete production system, one that costs nothing to run. Think about a marketing consultant working with local service businesses, plumbers, contractors, cleaning services. They charge a monthly retainer for content and basic design work. Previously, they needed several paid tools just to deliver at that level. With the zero-cost stack protocol, they use NotebookLM to research each client's industry. They build polished guides and infographics. They generate branded visuals with Nano Banana 2. They design landing pages or app mockups in Stitch, and they power all the written content through Gemini 3.1 Flash. That is a full service package. Services businesses pay real money for that output every single month. For a freelancer just starting out, this is one of the clearest entry points available right now. You do not need to buy anything, you just need to connect these tools and position that skill as a service. Think about what you could charge for a branded content package, custom visuals, infographics, designed mockups, and written copy. Every piece of that is deliverable with this stack at zero software cost. The margin on that is real, and your competitors are still paying for tools you run for free. That barrier stays high in your favor. That is a real edge. The freelancer who masters this stack first is in a different position entirely. They walk into client conversations with more leverage than everyone around them. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. Here is a quick example of how this plays out. Picture someone who handles marketing for independent gym owners. They manage a handful of clients on a flat monthly retainer. They were previously paying for a design tool, an image platform, and a research subscription. They rebuilt everything around the zero-cost stack protocol. Stitch handles layout mockups and approvals. NotebookLM handles training guides and member-facing infographics. Nano Banana 2 handles lifestyle and equipment visuals. Gemini 3.1 Flash handles all the written content and client-facing copy. Their software overhead went to zero. Their deliverables stayed exactly the same. Their margin improved significantly. That is what leverage looks like. Imagine what your workflow looks like 30 days from now with this system running. You walk into every client conversation with a full production stack behind you, one that costs nothing to operate. That is a different position than most people in this space are in right now. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.